Some important cubic formulas. A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Again we need to know two formulas, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab within bracket a plus b. A minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. We need to know the other formula also, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. For this too we need two formulas to remember. Number 8, a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Whereas a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And the last one, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Always remember these are in cyclic form, ab minus bc minus ca. In this sum we have x minus 3 by x square plus 3 plus 9 by x square. So it is similar to a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Here we get a square and b square. Only ab we are going to check. Here a is x and b is 3 by x. So x gets cancelled and we get 3. As it is matching, so we are going to write a cube minus b cube, that is x cube minus 27 by x cube. 10.1 whole cube. We are going to find out the cube of 10.1 without actual multiplication by using the formula a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So we are going to break it into 10 plus 0.1 whole cube. Here 0.1 is b and 10 is a. So a cube plus b cube plus 3 into 10 into 0.1 into 10 plus 0.1. Here we get 1000 plus 0.001. 3 into 10 is 30 into 0.1 is 3. And when you add this you get 10.1. So together we get 30.3. Adding this two we get 1000.001. Finally answer we get 1030.301. In this sum we have the value of 2a minus 3b equals to 3 and ab equals to 2. Find 8a cube minus 27b cube. We are going to start the sum with cubing both sides of the given equation, and we get 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 3 into a into b into a minus b. So here a is 2a, b is 3b and 2a minus 3b. Then we get 3 into 2 into 3, that is 18, ab. ab's value is given 2. So we are going to place the value of ab, and 2a minus 3b is already given 3. So substituting the values we get 8a cube minus 27b cube is equals to 27. We take this to the other side, so plus 108, that gives us 135. If a plus b plus c is equals to 0, find a square by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab. When we are adding, taking LCM as a, b, c, we get a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Now what is the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube? We are going to apply the formula. a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Here ABC is equals to 0. So if we put the value of ABC 0, then we get a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equals to 0, because 0 into anything is 0. From there, if we bring 3abc this side, we get a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. We are substituting the value. ABC gets cancelled. We get the answer 3. If x equals to 1 by 4 minus x, find x cube plus 1 by x cube. Here in the solution, the very first thing we are going to do cross multiplication. X into 4 minus x is equals to 4x minus x square. 1 we are going to bring this side, changing the sign, we get x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Now dividing the whole equation by x, dividing both sides by x, we get x minus 4 plus 1 by x equals to 0. Therefore x plus 1 by x equals to 4. Now cubing both sides, we get x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x equals to 64. That is 4 cube. Then substituting the value of x plus 1 by x as 4, we get x cube plus 1 by x cube equals to 64 minus 12, that is 52.